Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome to my channel, Shaggy Crochet. Today I am bringing for you a very simple and easy tutorial of crochets chain stitch, which is very simple and easy. Watch and learn the tutorial by seeing full video of this chain stitch tutorial. Thank you so much for watching and giving me attention. Please click on icon button for further information and for the tutorial, further videos. Thank you so much. Keep smiling and be happy. And the video of tutorial is enjoying the full collection and full video of my channel, and also commenting on which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for supporting me to watch my videos and also given me a very useful feedback about my videos, my content. Please subscribe my channel, like and comment on my videos, and also click on bell icon for further videos, further information, and my upcoming video items. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching my video and giving me attention. Keep smiling, always be happy. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.